Hi, thanks for coming back for the third part of this series on how to make paper beads. I'm still getting the hang of using this tripod. I don't know what the hell I'm doing half the time with it. Anyway, so I'm about to tell you how to drill a hole or punch a hole through the paper beads after they've dried. The method I'm going to use today is a hammer and a nail. I would use a drill if I knew where the drill was, but I can't locate it right now. And the drill is faster, but the hammer and nail works just effectively. So let's get started. Move the camera over to what I'm doing. See if I can see it just right. Okay. Here's the block right here, and the beads right there. Okay. So what you want to do, I found a nail. I mean, this nail works because it's like pointy on the end. I don't like the blunt ends or flat ends on the nails because they don't have a sharp point where it can puncture right through it. So that's why I use this type of nail. I mean, it doesn't have to be this long or this thick, but the thicker the width of the nail, I would guess, would make the hole a lot bigger. So here we go. I put my finger right here, place the nail on top. Be really careful when you're doing this. Take my hammer, I tap on the top, keep tapping it until you feel like it's breaking through to the bottom of it. Pull it off. See, look on there. Hole goes right through it. Didn't take much time to do. And that's how you put holes in the beads. Pretty easy. I'll show you another one. Now see, these beads can vary in size too, depending on how big you make them when you sculpt them. Let me find another one. Here's a bigger size one. Basically what they look like when they're finished drying is rock. You notice that? Because it has this rock look to it. Now wait till you paint them. But anyway, here's another one. I try to find the flattest of the surface as I can to put the nail into. Try to hold it still, and please do not look away when you're doing this so you don't hurt yourself. So go in there, and there. And you just make a hole in there. See? Hole. Hole, hole, hole. So, and I've got tons in here. You see that? Tons of these. And this isn't even from one batch. This is just leftovers for ones I haven't punched holes in. So yeah, it's pretty big. It's a big quantity. So that's all you have to do. That is the only step you have to do when it comes to putting holes in the paper beads. Make sure they're really dry all the way through, though, I suggest. Because if you don't wait till they're dry and you punch a hole through it, it'll just fall apart. So make sure it's solidified and hardened before you put your hole through it. So next I'm going to show you guys how I paint and decorate them. There's various ways you can do it. You can get creative with it. You could use markers, nail polish, paint, oil pastels work, colored pencils work too. So stay tuned for that. See you later.